I hope you can see this. There he goes. Oh, he's gone. He's flown off. Good evening YouTube. Now I'm not sure if you're going to see much on this, but we found a bird in the garden. Now we thought at first it couldn't fly because it's quite a large bird, but my suspicions are now that it's a baby magpie because as you can see up there, I hope you can see it there, there's a magpie kind of keeping a watchful eye on our garden at the moment, and he or she or it's been there for about 5 minutes now, just keeping an eye. And I'm keeping an eye as well because there's a black cat kind of around. Now what it's doing at the moment is kind of hopping and trying to fly. I don't want to scare it too much because that would be silly, but I'm just going to see if I can get an eye on it. I don't want to get involved too much because, like I say, it's probably quite scared if it is a young bird, and I don't want to distress it too much and make it hurt itself. I think at the moment it's kind of behind the bamboo. Oh no, I can hear something fluttering about down here. No, I think I'm just going to make things worse, so I'm going to retire. I'm going to actually sit down over here. Excuse the mess, we've just put a load of soil on the garden. I'm going to sit myself down here and I'm going to see if it will come out and try and fly off, because it's quite interesting. I'll give it a minute, because it was literally hopping around and it was trying to fly, but obviously if it is a young bird and it's not an injured bird, it was trying to get its wings, but give it a minute and see what happens. Okay, it's in the bamboo at the moment. Okay, I'm not sure if you can see this, and I don't want to go up there and disturb it too much. But at the moment it's sitting in that big bushy bamboo and it's kind of looking around. And there's something quite big in the tree above it as well. I'm not sure if that's one of the pigeons, because we've got a few pigeons around here, or whether it is a magpie. Okay, there it is, it's bouncing around. Okay, I'm going to sit here, be relatively quiet, just see if it actually launches itself. I'm guessing for the first 2 or 3 times it's not going to fly off into the distance, so I'm guessing it's going to flap about a lot and crash down. Yeah, I can see it at the moment, but I'm not sure the camera's going to pick it up very well, and I can't zoom in on this camera. Let's have a good look around. There it is. I hope you can see this. There he goes. Oh, he's gone. He's flown off. And there you go. That's his first flight by the looks of it. And I'm thinking, yeah, he's gone. So there you go. A successful flight. Excellent. There you go. Something slightly interesting for a Tuesday night. See you all.